Hi guys, Yanis here from SKAN Heating. Today we're gonna speak about the fault finding methodology. I would like to concentrate today on the three-port valve methodology. When we have the classic configuration with a timer, Drayton timer, Honeywell thermostat, cylinder stat, and Honeywell or WAC box, doesn't really matter, configuration. How many times you've been to the customer and the customer says, Yanis, the heating comes on when the hot water comes on? In this case, an engineer starts to thinking about it and says, yes, two things could be happen. The timer maybe does not send a good signal, or maybe the thermostat is not working, or maybe the three-port valve, which is absolutely normal because we have to start from the sequence of events. First of all, we send the signal from the timer, then go to thermostat, and then go to the valve diverter. Before we go to the standard answer, which is, from my experience, valve diverter, we have to learn at least how to search the problem. Let's take an example now. We are on the, of course we need the multimeter, guys. That's the most important tool. You have to become familiar, and maybe one day I have to concentrate a little bit more how to do some courses with a multimeter and how we can use it. But we have to start to search. Okay, you appear on the house and you want to investigate, or the heating comes on with the hot water, or someone cannot turn the hot water only or the heating only. Anyway, for all these things, let's start to think what we can do. The easiest way is to create, let me switch off the power. The easiest thing you can do is just to grab a 5-pin connector block. If you don't know where you can find that, I will leave some links underneath. You cut the cable and put the 5-pin connector block. Let's assume now we have put the 5-pin connector block here. Just for the training purposes, I would like to screw it on the wall because I would like to show you how can we deal with a multimeter. And I will try to zoom in as well a little bit more in order to see what I'm doing. And now we have access to the cables. And what can I read? So we turn the system on. And we call from hot water. And probably I have to make a little bit zoom in, I'm not sure anyway. And we will go to AC volt. And we have a little layout diagram here. And we will start to search what's happened. So heating only, hot water only on. We go here, domestic hot water only. We expect to see only on the orange cable power. Let's do it. We have the voltmeter ready. And then we test between neutral and orange. We don't see any power. Two things happen. The valve seized, or we didn't call from hot water. So we go to the thermostat to make sure we call from hot water. Put it on the maximum. So yes, we call now from hot water. Again, between neutral and orange. I'm not sure if in the camera you can see now, guys, but we have 243 volts, which is good. So the first test passed successfully. Let's see the heating only now, central heating only. On central heating only, we expect to see on the orange 240, on the white 240, and on the gray 240. Let's do it. We go to the Drayton timer, constantly on. Turn the thermostat on the maximum. And one probe to the neutral. And the other one, let's go to the orange first. Yes, 240. Let's go to the neutral and white. 240. And let's go to the neutral and gray. 240. Brilliant. We have one more combination now, guys. We check the heating only, the hot water only, and let's check both. Heating and hot water, so both on a constant. We are make sure we do have call from heating, call for hot water, we put on the maximum. And now what we expect to see, heating and hot water and central heating, orange 240, white 240, and reduce voltage on the gray. Let's see what is that. Again, we take the multimeter and check between neutral and orange. We expect to see 240. Yes, we see. Between neutral and white, we expect to see 240. And between neutral and gray, we expect to see reduced voltage, like 62 volts. In this case, guys, everything is fine. We don't have any problem with a 3-port valve. But for my experience, just to let you know that when that's happened, regardless what the timer says, you see different figures here. So in this case, everything is fine. So we put back the cover. It's okay. But if we don't see that figures, 9 to 10 times the problem is the 3-port valve. I hope you like it. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, or if you want more things, more example, please, underneath of the comments, leave your comments, leave your questions, leave your concerns, be in touch with me. I will be more than happy to help you guys. Show me the way I can help you. That's the most important, because sometimes we think, because we know that it's not necessary to mention that. So don't worry to ask whatever you like, and I am here to answer for you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good evening. Please like, subscribe to support this channel. Thank you.